Hello boys and girls, this is our last week of school. There's so much sun outside and the days are getting hot. I'm just coming from my backyard. I was doing a lot of work and I felt like I would love to have something very cool to chill my body. So today for our science experiment, we will be making something very cool. We've been doing a lot of things. We've been planting in our science. We've been watching our plants grow. We've been going for nature walks. We were doing slime at school. But today we're gonna get all our scientist skills of measuring, mixing together, and we will be making ice cream. What could be better than make your own ice cream? So to make your own ice cream, you would need half and half of milk, sugar, vanilla extract, lots of ice, and salt. So there will be something very cool happening. There will be a chemistry happening between salt and ice, and we will see how it will help us to turn milk into ice cream. So first, we're gonna get our milk. This is half and half, or you can get any whole milk you have at home, 3.8% or more. Then you would need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons, to make your ice cream sweet and tasty. And you would need half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it together, and we will be making ice cream in a baggie. So we'll make two bags, one inside of another, because when I will be shaking it, I don't wanna my bag break accidentally, so all my efforts will go for no reason. So here you go. This will be our ice cream very soon. So right now you can see it's liquid, and we can pour it like this. Ready? Can't wait to try my ice cream. And if you feel like you wanna add a little bit of flavor, you wanna add chips, chocolate chips, or you wanna add some other extracts like strawberry or raspberry extract, or even whole berries, you can add this inside. And this portion would be enough for one person. So if you have a lot of people in your family, you can multiply your recipe and make sure you don't have any air inside. So when I press, I see the bubble, that means there's air inside. So I'm gonna push it again. Make sure all the air, ask your mom or dad or adult to get all of the air out of the bag. Then zip it tightly. Make sure you hear this click, 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 click noise. So that means it's locked nicely, and I'm going to lock another one. So let me get all of the air as much as I can. Now, get ready, because you will be using your strong muscles to shake this bag. But before that, we're gonna get a bigger bag, and we would need 3 cups of ice. So I've been planning. I have 2 cups of ice in here in this cup, and I'll get a little bit more. So that looks like, let me see, that looks like another cup. Now, this is where the magic will start. We will use sugar, we'll use salt. We will use 1/3 of a cup of salt. So 1/3, I'm going to look. So the salt I'm using sea salt, but it doesn't have to be really sea salt. It needs to be a bigger grain salt. It could be a kosher salt. So this salt will help ice to get all of the coldness of ice out and freeze our milk quickly. By doing our shaking, we're going to get all of the cold out of the ice and shake. See, I have bubbles, so I need to get all of the bubbles out. That means I need to let all of the air out, and then get ready, stretch your muscles, and we will be shaking the ice, shaking the milk to turn it into ice. So it will take about 15 minutes. Start shaking. Shake like this, and you can take turns with your mom and dad, with your brother or sister, or you can keep going for 15 minutes. Sometimes it turns quicker, sometimes it's slower, but you have to shake and shake and shake and shake to get all of this milk, turn it into ice cream. So let's see what happens. So I'm halfway through. I'm about 5-6 minutes shaking all of the ice cream, all of the milk, and my muscles got so tired that even my son Daniel was helping me. So I want to show you what is happening right now. I feel that milk is getting a little bit more thick. It's not liquid anymore. It's kind of changing its texture. And I see that all the ice is melting, and there is a mix of water, cold, very cold water and ice. So I will continue mixing it and see what happens at the end. Keep going. Now 15 minutes are up, and I'm excited to see and try my own ice cream. And I will be sharing this ice cream with my whole family. So let's see. It is soft. It kind of reminds me of our soft ice cream. So now I'm gonna take it out of the bag. Put this aside. Now I need scissors. Thank you. So now I have my ice cream bowl. I'm gonna cut the corner of this bag so it will be easy for me to squeeze the ice cream out. And I'm gonna start squeezing it. That is looking really good. Oh, I'm going to pour it all around. All around. I want to make sure I'm using all of this ice cream. So I will probably need another bowl, and I'll use it for my family. But for now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to garnish. I will be garnishing my ice cream. So I'll get a little bit of chocolate, and I will grate it on top. And then I will put a strawberry on top to enjoy. I am so excited, and I know once you try to make your ice cream, you will be trying to make different flavors, and you will be enjoying on a hot summer day. You will be enjoying your own ice cream with your whole family. Happy summer, everybody!